My name is Donald Chipenzi. I'm the food and beverage manager. I'm happy to have gotten this opportunity to air out about SAROVA Woodland. We have been on operation for the last 5 years now. We kicked off well, despite the fact that COVID came in 2020 and then 2021, which was really a big blow for us. We had to close for about 5 months. The whole hotel, everybody went home. But then we came back again in 2022, earlier 2015. That's when they started the constructions of this hotel. Before that, it was just a kind of a cottage, and the initial construction was actually going to accommodate a few people, like only about 8 rooms. And then in 2016, it changed from 10 rooms to actually a huge investment, which SAROVA came in, and we are actually sitting on 147 rooms as a hotel. All rooms are quite first-class arrangements with all the heart of the state equipment set. And then we have Cinnamon Restaurant. This is our main restaurant that caters for all the clients that are sitting here, are staying in the hotel. And then we have the courtyard. Courtyard normally sells, this is a la carte food that people would like to eat off them, buffet. We have a swimming pool that caters only for residents at the moment, but once the spa and the pool is the spa and the gym is finished, then we'll open up for locals, so that people can kind of have a package. And then we have the leather bar. It's leather bar because the ambience is actually of leather. It's a cozy bar that takes about 50 to 100 people, and is on the first floor. On top of that, we have conferences that we do run. Initially, when the hotel was being built, I don't think the owners had an idea of conference. They were actually thinking about holiday makers only. But apparently, we have noted that with the MICE trend, we have more of conference people, corporate conference, than anything else. And we are doing quite extremely well. Since this year, January, we have been almost full throughout. And every month has improved, has actually been better than the other one. Every month has been better than the other one in terms of business turnout in conferencing. And basically that's what we do. It's also a good stop for tourists in transit. You realize that now we're doing what we call immigration. The immigration has started in July, and we have a stopover from Nairobi, people in transit to Lake Bogoria, people in transit to Nakuru National Park, people in transit to Masai Mara. And Nakuru is a best place. We are the best hotel in Nakuru. Currently we are 4-star, and we're just waiting to finish our gym and spa so that we can now be ready to a 5-star hotel, which hopefully by the end of this year our gym and spa should be ready, because we follow to the latter COVID protocols. COVID protocols are actually followed to the latter. You must have realized that all our staff are still wearing masks, and all in the restaurant you are seeing tables being sanitized. We have wash hands at the entrance as you come in. Wash your hands. We have the signage that keep a distance, and that is what has made us to be much popular in Nakuru. And now that Nakuru is again a city, that we need to leverage on that, so that we cater we get more patronage who are actually coming to Nakuru. And there's much more again to know in Nakuru, not only at Woodland. Once we're in Nakuru, you can visit also other places. Like we have our sister hotel called Lion Hill and the Park. Lion Hill and the Park, you are able to see the wild animals in the park. You are able to do camp drive and see all the big five in the park. You can also go to Lake Bogoria. You can also go to Menengai crater. Menengai crater is a volcano erupts 200 years ago. It's a very good scenery that tourists would love to go and see what's happened there. It's also a very good site for for bush breakfast, like earlier breakfast or dinner at Menengai Crater. We also have a site like High Rocks. These are the historical place that people visit when while they're in Nakuru. Those are actually the few places that actually we invite our people or our visitors to come and visit. We also specialize in team building. Just across the road we have a nice lawns where we can do big events. Big events like weddings, 500 people, 1,000 people, and you can do company parties, company team buildings, and so forth. You can chalk in the evening if you're here, or early in the morning in a very secure environment, and that is what we are, and we're proud to be associated with SAROVA Woodlands. I would like to say that once more again, you guys, you are welcome to SAROVA Woodland. Whenever you think of Nakuru, whenever you think of a holiday, whenever you're talking to friends, please make sure that they know about SAROVA Woodland in Nakuru is the best place to be. The best place in offer, the best place in food, the best place in environment, and it's more secure than any other place. Thank you.
For more of these kind of adventures,
like,
share, comment, subscribe.